Hello viewers, welcome to the massive open online course on Indian Political Thought 1. This course is a core course of the Political Science Honours curriculum under the CBCS system. The course encompasses the ideas of political thinkers of ancient and medieval India. It aims to familiarize students with the various intellectual traditions of the Indian subcontinent pertaining to Dharma, Rajdharma, Dandaniti, theories of state and administration, justice, legal principles, governance, prevalent from the Vedic period to the Mughal rule in India. The course would also highlight the contemporary relevance of these principles enunciated centuries ago. The entire course would focus on four major areas. Firstly, traditions of pre-colonial political thought, where the students would get an understanding of the literary sources of ancient Indian thought, nature of Indian thought, as well as the Brahmanic and Shramanic tradition. Secondly, studying the political principles in the major texts. They are Manusmriti, Mahabharata, Arthashastra, and Digha Nikaya. Thirdly, the area of focus would be medieval Indian political thought, where the students would get an insight about the relationship between state and religion, nature of the Islamic state, as well as the political principles through the writings of Ziauddin Burni and Abul Fazl. The fourth segment would focus on syncretism through an understanding of Kabir's ideas and how he sought to liberalize both Hinduism and Islam to create an egalitarian society based on universal love, devotion, and brotherhood. Thus, the course would give students an overall understanding of how pre-modern political concepts, ideas, and institutions led to the development of the modern Indian state, as well as how these precepts hold to be politically relevant in today's globalized world. The course would benefit undergraduate students, research scholars, and those appearing for UPSC and state civil service examinations, as well as those interested in understanding the rich political and philosophical traditions of ancient and medieval India. The course consists of 48 modules which will be delivered over a period of 12 weeks, roughly covering the working days of a semester. This is a 6-credit course. Each week, 4 modules will be uploaded. Moreover, a time slot will be reserved for live interaction with the students. Each module, which consists of 4 quadrants. A video of the lecture of roughly 25 to 30 minutes, duration delivered by the faculty. An in-depth write-up of the same topic. References for further study. MCQs for self-assessment exploratory exercises. Thus, this course, like all other MOOC courses, is a self-learning course, and the students are expected to devote 8 hours approximately per week, which will include participation in the discussion with the subject expert and also going through the list of papers and other references. Proctored examination. In order to be eligible for a certificate of achievement, a student is expected to appear in the proctored examination to be held at the nearest center. The examination will comprise of MCQs and short answer type questions to be conducted simultaneously at all centers. This is all about the course. I wish you all the best. Thank you.